What if I told you that you could trade this for this? To be honest, this is going to be more of an experiment to see if I can trade a Dell OptiPlex for a shiny new RTX GPU. I've had this idea floating around in my head for a while, and I've seen other people do similar things where they do a flip up challenge, and it really excites me. Like I've said before, I've had some pretty good experience with flipping PCs over the last couple of years, and I love deal hunting. I love finding good deals on those parts and then putting them together to make a working PC that somebody can use to play games and have a good time. Doing this has helped me to fund my interest in building PCs, but it's also helped me to see that it's possible to have a decent PC without the expensive price tag. So today will mark the start of this experiment / challenge. I'm really excited to see what we can do. If you're interested in this or it sounds kind of fun, make sure to subscribe and follow along. I think it'll be really exciting to see what kind of deals we can get and how long it'll take us to get to an RTX 3080 or something similar to that. So, like and subscribe. So, I've had a couple of these Dell OptiPlex 3010 sitting around for a few months. I picked up a deal on, I think like 3 of them, probably 6 months ago or so, and they've just been kind of sitting around with the GPU shortages. What I was planning on doing was just sticking a GPU in there, something like a 1050 or 950, and flipping them on Facebook Marketplace or whatever. But I haven't been able to find good deals on GPUs in a while. So with that, they've just kind of been sitting around. So I think I have 2 of them left, and this one I want to go ahead and use for this experiment. So in thinking about it, I thought with this, we can probably advertise it as like an office computer. So I have an extra 19-inch monitor, it's like a 720p monitor, and then an extra mouse and keyboard. And I think by combining those together, kind of give us a good starting point for flipping things. So hopefully it will be like a usable system that somebody can use for office work, emails, web browsing, that kind of thing. So with this, like I said, it's a Dell OptiPlex 3010. It's gonna have 8 gigabytes of RAM, will include a 120 gig SSD. One of them came with it, and then I'm probably gonna throw in a 500 gigabyte hard drive, just so that they have some extra space. 120 gets kind of small for storing almost anything. So yeah, and then we'll have that, the monitor, mouse, and keyboard. And hopefully this will be a good starting point for us. Okay, so the idea is that after I've sold this, we'll use whatever money we've made on it. So if I sell it for $100, 80 bucks, whatever it is, we're gonna use that as our budget for finding parts to then flip. So hopefully we can get a decent amount out of this. So I think what I'm going to do now is just get everything cleaned up, and then I'm going to do some researching on Facebook Marketplace or other classified sites and see kind of how much I think we'll be able to sell this for. Just by eyeballing it, just by guessing now, I'm assuming it'll probably be maybe a little bit above $100, maybe like 120 or something like that. Just because we have like a full system that's working. But yeah, we'll see. If we post it and it doesn't sell after a week or so, then probably drop the price and see what we can get for it. So let's go ahead and jump into cleaning things up. Okay, so it's the next day now, and as you can see, we have the computer all set up and good to go. With that, what I'm going to do is go ahead and post it on Facebook Marketplace and some other classified sites that are around here, like I said, and we'll see what we can get for it. I think I'm going to start the price out at $185. It seems pretty reasonable to me, and hopefully that'll be a good price for somebody. If it doesn't sell at that price, we'll start dropping it down and see what we can sell it for. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as we figure that stuff out. Okay, so this is the ad that we made for Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty simple. Just says it's a desktop computer, gives the specs. I'm making sure to say that it includes the monitor, a mouse, and a keyboard, because I feel like that'll be a selling point. And then, yeah, I just say if there's any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, so hopefully that will sell quick. We'll have to see what happens. Who knows? But yeah, I'll just be updating you guys as we go along, and hopefully we can get the ball rolling on this and get some cash that we can then use to find more deals and build more PCs. So I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, because I'm still working on the giveaway details, and we're going to have a video coming out soon that will explain some of that, and hopefully it'll be a fun opportunity if you're looking for a budget PC to get one. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the love and support. See ya.